Simplicity Legacy XL Lawn Tractor. Hydraulics problem. Engine and PTO work fine. Hydraulics to raise and lower the deck and for power steering stop working suddenly. I drained the system and replaced the filter. No luck. The front hydraulics, that work the front end loader, seem to work fine, it's just the rear hydraulics. Valve problem. Pump problem. Where should I start?
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. I have seen this problem many times. It is normally in the power steering valve at the base of the steering shaft has a ball and spring inside that will stick on occasion, or the spring breaks, which will cause a loss of function.
This can be repaired without replacing the valve. And, with my simplicity, the valve assembly is attached to the frame, with the steering, and other, hydraulics connected to it. Can a person just unscrew that valve off of the body and clean/inspect/replace it?
Yes, the valve assembly it just bolted into the frame and can be removed. However, Simplicity does not offer repair parts for the valve short of replacing the entire valve assembly. You can remove the valve, inspect it, see if there is anything evident that might cause the ball to not operate properly: spring broken, ball worn and lodged in passage. I have heard of guys going to hardware store or farm store and getting a spring or ball and being able to make the valve work again for a while. The valve assembly cost anywhere from $180.00 to $515.00 depending on the exact model and serial of your machine. Thank you, been a pleasure to assist you. Please take a moment to rate your experience.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.